Alexa from the Duval Homestead here, and today I'm going to show you how to plant 5 different winter greens around your household, indoor and outdoor, for the Christmas season. We live in the Pacific Northwest, and so we have a lot of mountains and lakes and forests around us. So one of my favorite ways to decorate our home is to simply bring the outside in. So the first thing I think of when I think of home decor is greenery and nature, and how can we create a Christmassy feel with natural elements. So I have 5 different greenery items here that I'm going to show how I decorate the inside and the outside of my house. So first we have the classic poinsettias. Now these are not safe for animals, so I'm going to be putting these on a very high shelf. These are called hen and chicks. This is a succulent plant. I just love the name hen and chicks. That's awesome. And they are like a dark green color, and it's basically one mama succulent and then a bunch of baby succulents. And I thought that was really neat. And this is a great kind of thing to go near a windowsill. They don't require a lot of watering. And I just wanted to get some dark green, and there's actually even a hint of red on the leaves. So I think that's really pretty and perfect for the holidays. And then of course we have just a very classic Christmas greenery here, which has some eucalyptus and some pine branches in it. So we can do a lot of different things with this. We can make a wreath. We can just set these on the mantle. I will probably put them outside. I will probably make a wreath. I probably won't put them on the banister. I like to have garland on our stairway banister, but we have carpet underneath. So if it's real garland, the pine needles will get all over the place. So I will probably just keep this in a designated spot where there's not carpet. I have several pots here, several indoor and outdoor pots. Most of these pots came as from the craft store, and I've painted them white. I love all of our pots to be white. I just think it's so pretty, and whenever I'm painting the pots, I never do a perfect job. I like kind of to see the scratches come through or the original material come through. So I've got some large pots and small pots, and this is the pot that I just painted, and it's still wet, and it came in a purpley color. This is perfect for us because we can put this on a wall and put florals in it. We have a cat, and she can get everywhere, and she loves digging and putting her paws in vases with flowers. So it's really hard for us to have flowers on the table, and they have to be safe, and they can't be in water because she likes to knock it over. So this is perfect because we can put it on the wall nice and high. So yeah, I just painted it so it's all wet. But again, it's not a perfect paint job, but I like that. It's a very homemade look. I like our house to look kind of homey and homemade. And then I got 2 of these evergreen trees. They're called Picea glauca. They are a white spruce evergreen tree, and they look like little Christmas trees. And I'm gonna put them on the front porch and probably put some lights around them, and it'll be so Christmassy. And the best part is that I can keep them year round, so I can put them in the backyard or somewhere else, and then next year we have 2 outdoor Christmas trees ready to go. And lastly, we're going to do a paper white bloom. So these are these long green kind of daffodil white flowers that bloom, and I have a bulb here, and we're going to just put this in a pot with some rocks, and this should bloom pretty fast, faster than other bulbs, and they're going to be really pretty during the Christmas time. So there you have it. We have 5 different plants to plant around our house for Christmas. Well, I hope this tutorial helped you decorate your front porch for Christmas with some nice greenery. If you are new to my page, please subscribe on YouTube and like on Facebook. I post weekly farm-to-table recipes and homesteading ideas like this one. And as always, feel free to share with someone you think would like this, and thank you for sharing in our homestead.